Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into something fun and festive. A must-have for any birthday celebration. I'm excited to introduce you to the best pop-it invitation for your birthday girl's special day. These Soiceu colorful rainbow pop-it birthday party invitations are not just invitations, they're an experience in themselves. Each card features a playful design with vibrant colors and a double-sided layout. You get a set of 20 invitations along with matching envelopes, making party planning a breeze. What makes these invitations stand out are their thoughtful details. They're made of high-quality paper that's easy to write on, with dedicated spaces for all the essential party details: date, time, location, and more. The designs are not only eye-catching but also theme-relevant, ensuring that every guest feels the excitement from the moment they receive their invite. So, whether you're planning a princess party or a unicorn extravaganza, these invitations from Soiceu are your go-to choice. They combine fun, functionality, and affordability, making them a hit with both kids and parents alike. Before we wrap up, remember to check the link in the description below to grab your set today. And if you've used these invitations before, let us know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon for more reviews and recommendations from Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy party planning!